We have driven up to the Wheels on Windsor European and British Car Show. It is March the 16th, 2026, and we are in Hastings at Windsor Park. Let's see what exciting cars we can see today. Here we have a 1967 Datsun Bluebird. I believe this is the 410 series, and it is not the Bluebird SSS model, unfortunately, as this is the 1.3 litre.
Very old nice Datsun. Not sure what model it is. It's a 67 Bluebird. It's fairly original and quite nice.
And up next we have a 1980 Mitsubishi Celeste, also known as the Lancer or A70. The A70 is the first generation version of Mitsubishi's long-running Lancia. Introduced in 1973, filled the gap between the K car and the considerably larger Galant. This formed the basis for the Lancer Celeste Sports Coupe of 1975 through to 1981. These Lancers were sold under a multitude of names in different markets. And next to it we have a 1987 Mitsubishi Starion. This is a sports car which was manufactured and marketed by Mitsubishi from 1982 until 1989, with variants marketed in North America as the Conquest under the Chrysler, Dodge and Plymouth brands. It is a two-door coupe with a fastback design and seating for 4 passengers. The Starion's straight 4 engine is mounted in the front and drives the rear wheels, with some models being turbocharged like this one.
Don't see many of these around anymore.
No, you don't, eh?
The last one I seen was got sold to some people up in Auckland. It was at a panel beaters for a short period of time.
And check out this little gem of a car, a 1932 Austin 7 Special Sport. And here is a 1935 Austin 7, similar to the one I have.
What's your name, sir, and tell us what the year is of your car? My name is Lynn, and it's 1957.
Yeah,
CC, all of that. About 1,000 miles per gallon, I would hope. 1,000 miles per gallon. It's certainly something that we would consider now with what's happening in the Middle East. Oil reserves. Top speed. What are we looking at? What is the top speed of the car?
I see. Stop. You want to go and sit?
Austin 7s come in a variety of shapes and sizes and styles. Check out my playlist for my Austin 7 build. Also check out Mish's car shed, where my son has rescued a Austin 7 Ruby from ruins. And of course here we have the 500 Bambina Club. The eagle-eyed amongst you will see Ant Freeman's 500, my son's 126, my Fiat Strata and my old Austin A40. And to round out the day, we'll catch the rest of the Italian club here, starting with a Fiat Punto GT in 1995.
Oh, it's you.
I might get in trouble.
Oh, what about the blue car beside it?
I've seen better.
Oh, you've seen that?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think you can sell that man any parts.
Well, no, I was thinking to myself, maybe I need to befriend the man in case he's got spare parts.
That'd be more the
Yeah.
point, yeah.
Oh, he's still got this. Doesn't have his world rally sticker though.
Oh, right.
So that's a very tidy example of a Lancia Beta Volume X, which has the same 2-litre block as my Fiat Strada. And to wrap it up, we have an Alfa Romeo 1300. And right next to it, a lovely 124 Fiat race car in immaculate condition. Check out this beauty.